I love this show. Whoa, what was that? Okay, bro, you can get out now. I have a knife now. Ah! Go away! Please, somebody help me! Well, I guess I'm gonna die like this.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Houston Police Department. Last night, around 16 people have been brutally attacking everyone they see in their homes when being exposed to moonlight. 76 people have been injured by these people that seem to be affected by the moon, and 27 have died by these moon-affected people. The description of these moonlight-affected people have black and white eyes, hands twice the size as usual, mouth filled with sharp teeth, have loud roars, and have lost the ability to talk normally. It is unknown how these people become homicidal after being exposed to moonlight or if it's the moon or not, but you are advised to stay indoors after 5:30 p.m. NASA will be investigating the moon for any abnormalities to find any sign of causes of this event. If you encounter one of these people, defend yourself with any means you desire. Even if it means to kill them right now, the cause of this event is not fully known at this time. But look out for any causes that may be causing this event. Stay tuned to local outlets for further updates of this event. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Houston Police Department. More people are getting affected by the moon by the minute. Approximately 200 people have been affected by this event. All affections of people have been taking place at night, with both nights being full moon. So it is assumed that the full moon is the cause of people developing into zombie-like creatures. Residents of Houston are advised to lock all doors, windows, and anything that will expose you to the outside world, to not only hide yourself from these creatures, but to also not expose yourself to moonlight to not become a zombie-like creature. If you are confronted by a zombie-like creature, defend yourself with any means that you desire, even if it means to kill them. Do not go outside for any reason until sunrise. If you do, you are putting your life in extreme danger. NASA has not found a confirmed reason of this event, but we already have assumed reasons and nothing else seems to be causing this. So the cause is probably the moon. NASA is also still checking for abnormalities on the moon and detecting the cause of this event. Stay tuned to local outlets for further information regarding this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Houston Police Department. 12,000 people have become super erratic. Because of the shocking jump in cases, a martial law will be put into place. Effective immediately, you will not be allowed to exit your home at night. Anybody caught doing so will be shot on sight as a safety precaution. All residents of Houston are also obligated to lock and cover all doors, windows, or anything that will expose you to the outside world. There are 3 stages to this phenomenon. Stage 1 is falling onto the ground and going into a 10-minute coma. During the 10 minutes, the victim has a homicide-baiting dream. In the dream, the victim has to listen to these words: "Kill them all," for 10 minutes straight until they can't take it anymore. Stage 2, once they wake up, the victim has their mind erased and the only thing they remember is their dream. This makes the victim find killing as a fun activity. Stage 3, they start attacking anyone they see in their path. The reason isn't fully confirmed yet, but it's most likely the moon. You cannot continue outdoor activity until sunrise. Stay tuned for more information on this highly dangerous situation.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Houston City Council. There have been cases of people turning into these creatures that are now known as moon rovers inside their homes when they are near windows. The cause of this situation has been found. The cause is in fact caused by the moon. The moon has found an extraterrestrial creature affecting the moonlight and making it contain with atoms of rabies in it. When someone come in contact with moonlight, they become very animalistic within a short amount of time. It has also been found that this is contagious. Moon rovers can spread this parasite around. You guys are strongly recommended to go in a room with no windows to prevent rabies particles seeping through a thin structure. If you see a moon rover, defend yourself with any means, even if it means to kill them. It is unknown if you can go outside safely at sunrise anymore, but moon rovers were caught dead when they were exposed to sunlight. So it is assumed you can exit outdoors at sunrise safely. Stay tuned to local outlets for further information regarding this highly dangerous situation.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This event has spread through the entire North American continent. Approximately 120 million instances have been reported across the continent. Due to the intense alarming jump of cases and spread width, NASA is planning to send nuclear rockets to the moon and eradicate this extraterrestrial creature. NASA will continue coming up with plans to end this event if this is not effective. You guys are still advised to seek in a room with no transparent structure, or anything that will expose
you to the outside world. If you hear a moon rover, stay extremely quiet and live.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. It has came to our attention that the moonlight phenomenon has entered all Canadian provinces. NASA is currently building lots of highly radioactive nuclear rockets and is trying to eradicate this unknown extraterrestrial creature. Even though this event presents itself as terrifyingly horrible, this is world-changing news, as we as humans have discovered something we would never thought we would have discovered something within a million years. Anyways, getting exposed to moonlight is very dangerous. If exposed, you will experience the following: black and white eye color, extreme pain, sharp teeth, loud and ear-piercing roars, and thirst to kill. However, there have been an alarming amount of reports of suicidal actions or attempts. And all of them have seemed to be these creatures that you turn into when exposed to moonlight, which are called moon rovers. Not much information is obtained about this event, but we will not stop gathering information and try to help resolve this situation. But for now, you guys are advised to go into a room with no windows, as the radio effects from the moonlight can seep through the window even with shades closed. It is unknown how long this event will last, but you guys are advised to prepare for the worst. Remember to always be alert and stay safe. We all wish you the best of luck out there. Stay safe.
Le message suivant est transmis à la demande du gouvernement canadien. L'événement au clair de lune originaire des États-Unis s'est répandu dans toutes les provinces canadiennes. Même si cet événement est très dangereux, il est énorme pour nous tous. Nous avons découvert la vie extraterrestre et cela résout pour nous tous ce mystère vieux d'un siècle. Quoi qu'il en soit, s'exposer au clair de lune est très dangereux, et si vous le faites, vous ressentirez ce qui suit: la couleur des yeux passe au noir et blanc, une douleur extrême dans tout le corps, des dents pointues, des rugissements forts et perçants et une soif extrême de tuer. De nombreux rapports font également état d'actions et de tentatives de suicide. Peu d'informations sur cet événement sont obtenues pour le moment, mais nous continuerons à récolter des informations et à trouver une solution pour résoudre cet événement lorsqu'elle sera disponible. Restez à l'écoute des points de vente locaux pour plus d'informations sur cette situation dangereuse.
Le message suivant est transmis à la demande du gouvernement français. L'événement au clair de lune originaire des États-Unis s'est répandu dans toutes les Français. Même si cet événement est très dangereux, il est énorme pour nous tous. Nous avons découvert la vie extraterrestre et cela résout pour nous tous ce mystère vieux d'un siècle. Quoi qu'il en soit, s'exposer au clair de lune est très dangereux, et si vous le faites, vous ressentirez ce qui suit: La couleur des yeux passe au noir et blanc, une douleur extrême dans tout le corps, des dents pointues, des rugissements forts et perçants et une soif extrême de tuer. De nombreux rapports font également état d'actions et de tentatives de suicide. Peu d'informations sur cet événement sont obtenues pour le moment, mais nous continuerons à récolter des informations et à trouver une solution pour résoudre cet événement lorsqu'elle sera disponible. Restez à l'écoute des points de vente locaux pour plus d'informations sur cette situation dangereuse.
I think we are almost done building the rockets.
Yeah, we only need to enrich the uranium to 4% and then they are ready. Okay, that's done. Now all we have to do is fill the rockets with the enriched uranium.
Okay. Okay, now we are ready for launching.
Initiate procedure 17CX in T-15 seconds.
Shit, I think I enriched the uranium too much.
Oh my fucking god, you absolute black ass dumb, do you realize that you destroyed the fucking moon and now remnants of the moon is going to fall back on Earth, you stupid delusional cut in half $1 bill looking bitch.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The plan of trying to resolve this situation has gone horribly wrong. One of the constructors of NASA has accidentally enriched the uranium in the rockets too much, and they were so powerful that they destroyed the whole moon. Fragments of the blown-up moon are on a direct collision course with Earth. Large damage will be certain. Those near the impact sites will await certain death as these fragments are extremely large in mass. However, the extraterrestrial creature that was making people go homicidal has been eradicated. Expect heat warnings all throughout the world. These fragments has the potential to end the world and eradicate every last human in the world. NASA is currently building rockets that try and blow up these fragments. Even if the plan works, we still have a low chance of surviving as there would be extreme climate and weather changes. Stay inside and do not exit your home until further notice. Most importantly, do not start panics and riots as this will decrease your chance of survival. Always obtain lots of water to survive the heat waves that are imminent within the next several hours. Stay tuned for more information regarding this highly dangerous situation.
Are we ready to launch the missiles yet?
Just wait, let me check if you made any mistakes. I don't want you to screw up again.
Okay.
Okay, nothing seems to be wrong here. I think we are able to launch the missiles.
Okay, launching the missiles in T-15 seconds.
Oh my fucking god, you stupid guidance systems. The world is for sure going to end now. I give up.
Hey guys. We have officially declared surrender. The plan of resolving the fragment's collision with Earth has failed horribly, and places near the NASA Foundation have been obliterated due to the guidance system of the rockets failing. Because of this, the rockets have been lost and impacted nearby areas. I am sorry. There is nothing we can do about this. The end of the world has been confirmed to be inevitable. There is nothing humanity can do to stop this event. No underground shelter will be able to protect you from this event. But I just hope you realize how much effort and struggles we have been through to stop this event. It was just clear that there was not a way to stop this event from striking Earth. These fragments are expected to strike Earth within the next 50 hours. After the fragments' impact, mega tsunamis would form, unrecorded earthquakes would occur, extremely radioactive volcanic winter would occur due to the sun getting blocked out for 10 years. We are sorry that this event can't be stopped. This is the final time that we are going to broadcast within eternity. We all thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. We now conclude the final broadcast. Forever. Country has fallen. The world is about to end. The fragments are about to strike Earth within the next 24 hours. Nothing will be left after the collision. It has also been found that the creature that was making everyone go homicidal is not dead. It is alive, and it has came back stronger than ever. The people that have been dead have been brought back to life to kill others. The population right now is at only 1.7 billion. And the rest are going to fade within the next 24 hours. Everything will be wiped out in an instant when the fragments collide with Earth. NASA has completely surrendered to do anything that will even resolve the situation a little bit. The NASA Foundation has completely fallen through the hands of the moon's dreadful reign. We sorry to say, but the end of the world is here. We have tried everything in our power to save the world. Do whatever you want that makes you happy. Gather your family and brace for the end. A Bible verse has been selected to play for the final broadcast. 1 Corinthians 13:13, so now faith, and love abide, these three, but the greatest of these is love. Do not commit suicide. This will be a quick and painless death. We now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with playing the national anthem. Please stand by.